rest of them go to hell. A bunch of bottom of the barrel still here at garbages. That's what I've been doing. They don't work. But I can assure you there is nothing besides THC or nothing beyond legal limits within my system. I promise you that. Because I'm not a scumbag.
To be on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Daniel Schneider, 23888. And appearance, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Schneider. Mr. Schneider, would you please state your name for the record?
Daniel Scott Schneider.
All right, thank you. And today is the date scheduled for an arraignment as your client's in custody. And counsel, as to the arraignment.
As to the arraignment, Judge, at this time we are prepared to waive a formal reading. My client stands mute.
All right, the court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. And I'm just filling out the notice for prosecuting officials, counsel.
Sure.
As to bond for your client.
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to know that Mr. Schneider is 25 years old. He is gainfully employed full-time at Fairlane Car Wash in Dearborn. He does not have any prior criminal history. He doesn't have any pending matters out of any other court or jurisdiction. He's not currently on probation or parole. And after speaking with him at length this morning, he did assure me that he would be appearing at all future court dates. With that respect, he does not have any history of absconding from any honorable court. Consideration for personal bond on behalf of Mr. Schneider.
All right. Okay, so the court is going to schedule this matter for pre-trial at 9 a.m.
16th at 9 a.m. Okay.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah, I got it. I'll be there.
I'm sorry?
I'll make sure I'm there.
Okay, and sir, okay, it says you live in Dearborn, but then it indicates that you're homeless. So where do you live, sir?
Well, I was actually just at my mom's. She just put me out. But, for the longest time, for the past 5 years, I've been staying at these people. It's called the Roonies in Dearborn Heights. And a lot of people stay there are just, besides one person that I actually care about, Alonda. All the rest of them go to hell. A bunch of bottom of the barrel still here at garbages. That's what I've been doing. They don't work. They don't do nothing. And the things that, I shouldn't be talking. I just want to rest after this long stuff. Oh.
Okay, sir, well, I will say that I'm not quite sure of everything you just stated. So where is it that you live, sir?
Oh, I have nowhere right now. Well, I was at my mom's place, but I went and stayed over at a friend's and I was drinking for a couple days. So, I wasn't allowed to be there drinking at mom's place. And I was supposed to.
Where does your mom live, sir?
In Romulus. I was actually going to go stay at my manager's place in the east side of Detroit, actually. I was supposed to be at work today, but, thankfully, maybe, I don't know.
Okay, and sir, you work at a car wash and you earn $4 an hour plus tips?
Yep.
$4 an hour you make?
Yes, I do. Well, that's like salary, for the paychecks and the tips or whatever, the customers want to tip.
I imagine it's similar to like a waitressing job where they make $3.65 an hour plus tips.
Well, the court has some concerns that Mr. Schneider doesn't have a place to live. And I'm not really sure where we would find him. How long have you been down in this area, sir?
I knew people out here for some time now. I've been out here for about 7-8 years, on and off.
Okay, where were you before here?
Romulus.
Okay. And sir, if you were to test today, what would be in your system?
What is that?
If you were to test today, if we were to test you for drugs or alcohol, what would be in your system?
Just THC and alcohol. Nothing more. I'll take a test anytime. Maybe get a little water to a water fountain. I'll be ready. Or a blood draw. However,
Okay.
But I can assure you there is nothing besides THC or nothing beyond legal limits within my system. I promise you that. Because I'm not a scumbag.
Okay. And sir, what, do you have a medical marijuana prescription or no?
No, I just love smoking.
Okay. And do you have an address for your mom?
Dearborn, Michigan. You can spell that A-I-R.
No, that's okay, sir. I have that. Thank you. Isn't that in Romulus?
Oh, yeah, I'm not exactly sure about the zip code, though.
Okay, but I thought your mom lived in Dearborn.
What's that?
I thought your mom lived in Dearborn.
Oh, no, that's the Roonies that I know. Dearborn Heights, that is.
And he works in Dearborn.
Okay.
That's where the car wash is.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I just want to make sure that Mr. Schneider will be returning to court. The court doesn't have anywhere that they can locate Mr. Schneider. He hasn't been able to give a valid address. And so the court's going to indicate a $3,500, 10% bond. In the event bond is posted, GPS tether, Wayne County Jail. GPS and alcohol tether. Not to possess and consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.